Have you finished your preparations?
Ya, saya sedang bekerja untuk itu. Jadi ini kisah tentang si anak gembala yang hilang, yang mengumpulkan saudara-saudaranya, teman-teman. Ini Eduardus bersama kakaknya yaitu Nathanaeus. Ini sedang bertemu dengan kepala kampung yang bernama Orthos. Orthos ini kepala kampung di desa Tevea. Tevea ini salah satu desa yang dikuasai oleh Empire, yaitu Southern Empire, yang ratunya itu bernama Ragia. Tevea ini penduduknya menghasilkan minyak zaitun, gandum, dan juga peternakan. Jadi si Orthos menyuruh si Eduardus untuk membeli perbekalan sebelum mengembara mencari saudara-saudaranya yang hilang. Oke, kita beli 2 aja cukup ya. Karena duitnya masih sedikit. Mahal juga gandumnya di sini.
Glad to see you found what you needed. Now, about that matter I mentioned earlier. There's this wandering doctor who comes through it from time to time. Name of Tactius. Treats people for free. Well, he set off on the road just a few hours before the... If you can keep an eye out for him, this Tactius will be...
Setelah mendengar ceramah panjang dari si Orthos, jadi Eduardus disuruh untuk menemukan dokter yang bernama Takteos. Dokter Takteos ini diculik ya teman-teman. Dia diculik oleh gerombolan Radagos.
Soldiers!
Perburuan 1 dimulai.
Shoulder to shoulder! Troops! Charge!
Sakit bos. Saya sudah pakai kavaleri. Ayo, mana lagi yang kena sodok nih? Nggak kena loh. Waduh, pingsan. Kabur. Ayo pasukan, habisin. Darahnya masih sedikit ini. Kalau kena tipu sekali lagi pingsan nih gua. Gak kena ya. Aduh ini kena marah Pak Kades itu. Cucu, nah kau kena loh. Ayo, satu lagi. Jangan sampai gue yang pingsan ini. Tumbur. Akhirnya setelah berdarah-darah. kita buru yang kedua. Jadi tadi si Otos tuh nyuruh nangkap 3 pasukan dari si
Under my orders! Everyone!
pasukan siap habisi.
Charge! Die! I'll eat your liver!
I don't know who you are,
Kita
but
berhasil
I'm in your
menemukan
debt.
Takteos ya, teman.
These brigands would have marched us to our deaths. My name's Tactios. I'm a doctor by trade. I was on, well, a bit of a quest, but I'm now thinking I'm not really made for this kind of thing. I was with a caravan and they just came out of the brush. We were surrounded and outnumbered, so we gave up. I figured they'd keep us alive, if just for the ransom. But then they started flogging us along at top speed without any water, and I was just about ready to drop. I could feel the signs of heat stroke creeping up, and I told them they just flogged me more. If your group hadn't come along, maybe I have a way to thank you properly.
Dua orang anak yang ditangkap oleh pasukan.
I'm afraid I haven't seen any children, but after our caravan was attacked, the chief of the raiders, the one they call Radagos, took and rode off with our more valuable belongings, including a chest that I had. He seemed to be controlling more than one band around this area. If this lot has your kin, then I think he'd be the one to know. And since I have nothing of value left to repay your help, I'll tell you this. If you do catch up with and defeat that ruffian, you may be able to recover my chest. It contains a valuable ornament, which I was told could be of great value if you knew where to sell it. I was trying to find out more about it, but, as I say, I've had all my urge for travelling flogged out of me. Right now, I don't think I'd venture more than 20 paces from a well as long as I live. It doesn't look like much, and I suspect this lot will give it away for a few coins. But I got it from a mercenary whom I treated once, and he swore it was related to Neretes' folly. I don't know what that means, except that Neretes was, of course, the emperor who died in battle some years back. Maybe you could find out its true value. Thanks for saving me again. I hope our paths will cross again.
Jadi kita sekarang lagi ke markasnya Radagos. Tadi sudah dikasih tahu oleh Takteos, markasnya di dekat gunung. Dengan bantuan pasukan dari Pak Kades, kita coba serbu kandang si Radago. Siapa tahu saudara kita ada di sini. Ayo. Jangan batu sakit. Halo Radagos, berantem yuk kita.
So, who's this that comes through my place of business, killing my employees?
Radagos ini kayaknya orang kampung dari
Good heaven, I need a better description than that. My men have harvested dozens of little brats in this region. Quite good hunting grounds. Already sent most of them off to a slave market, I know, though. Since your hunt for your kin is fruitless, how about you clear off and save your own lives? Either that, or I'll force you to lick up all the blood you've spilled here with your tongues. Or you and I could settle this one-on-one.
Pukul, hancurin, gas.
The day is ours! We whipped the bastard! Heaven be praised!
Jadilah dapat lootingan yang banyak. Lumayan dijual, tambahan duit.
Well, I recognize defeat when I see it. If I'm gonna be your captive, let me introduce myself. I'm Radagos. You haven't cut my throat yet, which was a wise move. I'm sure I can find a way to be worth more to you alive than dead.
Balik lagi. Kalau nggak lu gua lempar.
You'll need my help, all right, if you want to get them back. Alive, that is. See, my boys have some pretty specific instructions about what to do if there's a rescue attempt. Shall we get on the road? Remember, if I drop dead of exhaustion or drown in some river, that's it for your little dears. I don't expect a cozy palanquin now, but you best not make it too hard a trip for me.
I was hoping to find more treasure here, but I think business wasn't going too well for Radagos and his gang. I found this strange-looking metal piece, though. Doesn't look too valuable, but it could be the artifact Takteos was talking about. Maybe we can sell it to one of the noble clans for a hefty price. I have a better idea. We would have a better chance if we split up now. I'll take Radagos and go find the slaver market and look for a way to free the children. However, we must be careful not to endanger their lives, and it could be better to just buy them. We need to have our purses full for that, though. I'll need to take these men with us. Radagos is a slippery one. I don't want him getting away. Indeed. You have to find a way to do that. Maybe this bronze thing can help. Tacteo said it could be worth a fortune to the right person if you manage not to get killed. If he's telling the truth, you must be careful. Never reveal that you have it, but try to understand its value and how it can be sold. One more thing. When you are talking to nobles and other people of importance, make sure you present yourself as someone from a distant but distinguished family. You can use our family name if you like, or make up a new one. You will have a better chance of obtaining an audience with nobles, and it'll be easier for me to find you by asking around.
Saya ganti jadi Levius, Eduardus Levius, jadi biar kayak roman-romanan gitu kan ya. Klasik Romawi family.
On my command!
Nama saya Eduardus Levius dengan bendera Victorious. Jadilah udah ada pasukan.
Charge!
Bisa ngejar para bandit. Jadi saya nggak mau ngejar para pedagang ya teman-teman. Nanti mereka ngecap saya perampok. Jadi saya jaranya para bandit-bandit. Kita habisin begal-begal yang ada di sekitaran Poros, sekitaran kerajaan Southern Empire. Mudah-mudahan saya bisa bergabung dengan Rapi. Tapi ya kabarnya dia punya anak yang cantik, namanya Ira.
You bastard!